Hi kids! Today, I am going to join the pacifier and feeding bottle. So let's move. First, I am drawing the pacifier. Now I am drawing the feeding bottle. Great! It looks so cute! Now it's coloring time! Yellow. Pink. I love painting with different colors. Green. Orange. Violet. Sky blue. Super! Finally, the pacifier and feeding bottle looks so nice with beautiful colors. Let's clap for you. Bye-bye, cuties.